Alright. Amber.
Is it going?
Going. Oh gosh.
Tell the camera what.
Alright, I will as you trudge over there. Amber just got dared to stick her head in the sickest smelling bucket of 3-week-old toothpaste spit and take a big ol' whiff.
It's probably moldy.
There might be some pee left over from when Trisha peed in there.
Gosh. Everyone else needs to hold their breath.
It needs to be like we have to hear you breathe it in. Like, kind of a situation.
If I puke, I'll do that.
Just go in the bucket.
Just go in the bucket, yeah. Oh,
Yes.
sick. One.
Your head has to go in it. I just peed in my pants.
Okay. My eyes are watering.
Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. Can you smell it? It smells like
I should just clean it out now, you think?
Oh, it smells terrible from afar.
Sweet baby Jesus.
That was
Holy
hilarious.